From yarn to bloom, let's crochet this beautiful red flower. Step-by-step beginner-friendly tutorial.
1. Make a magic ring. First, we start by making a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and secure it with a chain. This ring will be the base of our flower. Step 2. Chain 3. Now, chain 3. These 3 chains will act as the height for our petal and count as the starting point. Step 3. Make 3 triple crochets. Next, yarn over twice and make 3 triple crochets into the magic ring. Take your time here. Each triple crochet should go neatly into the ring. This will give volume and shape to the petal. Step 4. Chain 3 again. This helps form the top curve of the petal and gives it a soft, rounded look. Step 5. Slip stitch. Now, make a slip stitch into the magic ring. And just like that, your first petal is complete. Step 6. Repeat for 5 petals. Now we're going to repeat the same steps. Chain 3. 3 triple crochets. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the ring. Keep repeating this pattern until you have 5 petals in total. Final step. Close the flower. Once all 5 petals are done, gently pull the magic ring tight to close the center. Secure your yarn and weave in the ends.
And it's done, handmade with love and patience. Did you like it? Comment red flower if you tried this. Like, share, save for later, subscribe for more crochet magic.